Tried everything to keep him off because I don't really want him on it until I can teach it properly. But I blocked it with a tire, put a chute in the middle of it to keep him from going up it, and I blocked the other side. Okay? But I let him out to go potty. It's kind of raining outside. He's not pottying, but I can show you what he's doing. Let's see if he does it again. Naughty puppy. And he's decided now that he wants to sit in the chute. As you can see him in their chute. See if I can get a better look. Naughty puppy. Sitting at the dog walk. He's supposed to be pottying. Instead, he's sitting up on the dog walk in the chute that I put there to block him from going up the chute. He's so naughty. And now I'm going to go down here and jump off the end. Oop, lost him.